wait and just see the calculate depreciation under 5 seconds. I have this data asset and the cost of this asset is 50,000. Residual value means the scrap value is 5,000 and the useful life is 5 years. I am choosing the depreciation method, which is straight line method, and when I click the calculate and this the depreciation has been generated along with its beautiful chart. And when I change the straight line method to the reducing balance method, I am just adding the rate, the 0.2. Okay, and when I click the calculate, this is has been generated according to this. And when I change into the double declining method, or let's change to the units method and make it 0, and the unit produced are, you can say, 2000s, and the total units we are estimating are, you can say, 10,000s. And when I click the calculate, is generated and working very well. And yes, one more thing, that's if I remove the wait remove the machine name, and when I click the depreciation, she plays into valid asset, cost as well and useful life. I made this complete software using Excel only, and you are also going to make this kind of Excel software in your Excel without wasting any time. I am going to another sheet and showing you how to make this. Just subscribe my channel and I will make many interesting videos like this. Okay, go now. Here we will make this kind of calculator, and firstly just select this and go to the merchant center and quickly write the depreciation calculator, or you can say the software, and calculate depreciation here, and just make this little uh, format according to you. Yes, now it's working very well. I'm quickly writing this name. What, how to write it? I just copy pasting it from the depreciation calculator, pumping there. Just copy and sheet here. I know you can make this in your Excel, this kind of formatting. Just write down there, select any kind of fill color, select your font color, and you will be here. Boom. I'm just selecting Alt H O H to measure my row height and going with 20 here. No, it's quite RHOH, going with the 10, and wait, select this. Sorry, we do not select it. Select all of these and then RHOH, and going in the 20. Now it looks good. Here we will add the values, and I have also add the data validation here according to selecting the depreciation method. So click on this cell and go to the data tab here and go here below and select the data validation. Now select from allow any value to missed. I am just selecting the SLM. Okay, SLM or BM and DD double weight double declining, and it was sum of units method and units method. Okay, click OK and boom. Yes, we have this. We can see there. Yes, like this one. So we have the depreciation method and everything we have there, and we have to make this kind of button as well. So go to the insert and click on the illustration. You do have, you might be have the shapes here, and I have the illustration. Select on the shape, select what kind of button you want to make. I have this looks solid good here, and added the text here. Calculate the calculate depreciations. Okay, and click on there, make your button look solid. Yeah, I have to select this and just like that. Wait here and make it looks good now. I think, yeah, it's working now. Yes, go to the format tab again and select color little bit of this. Yes, shape outline I don't need. I have to make them black in, and shape effects are shadow. It's working very good. Now the real task is going to start. Now we want from the row 12, I need this kind of, let's show you something XYZ, and we can point at the search tell this here. I need from the row 12, you can make it row 11. I suggest you to make this row 12 because we are going to program this in next. So I suggest you to make this from row 12 because I completely write the code and for you, and the free file is under the description. Okay, I will make this. So from 12 I need this kind of, okay, make this copy and okay, we can paste it. This looks very good. Again, select all HOI and our columns which will be fine. Now I have a file of VBA code, okay, and file you under the description, you can download it here, and you have to paste that code into the module. I will show you how to paste it. I have this kind of you will see this kind of code. Just copy the Control A and Control C and come again into the Excel. Click Alt plus F11. Okay, Alt plus F11. You can see there I have already copy pasted my code. You will see nothing, and let me show you. You will see this kind of an interface. Just Control V there. Okay, Control V and select Control S. It will save. Okay, and now we have to assign that macro into this button. Over click on there and right click, and here you can see assign macro. I have this macro. Look at this, calculate depreciation will be appear. Click on OK and the macro has been assigned. Let's cast it. Here I have to write the asset name, which is ABC. Cost is you can say 1 lakh, and its residual value is, I can say, 5,000. Useful life is 8 years, and I'm selecting the straight line method. Let's test it, and this is working and working very well. Hopefully it will work in your computer as well. If you find it a very beautiful video, you can subscribe my channel. And yes, I will make more calculator like this in the chartered accountancy or the student of the BCom as well as MBA or any other specific qualification. Just subscribe my channel and share this video. Goodbye for now.